Are you ready to work with the best adhesives available anywhere? Then stick with Custom and prepare to be floored. Custom Building Products has developed the next generation of flooring adhesives for the professional installer. Whether installing wood, vinyl, or carpet, these adhesives have it all, delivering the handling and results your job requires. There's a high-performance formula for every project and site condition. Designed for a variety of floor covers, Custom's adhesives for resilient flooring and carpet deliver reliable performance for the challenges of today's most popular formats. Vinyl PSA is an advanced pressure-sensitive adhesive created to install luxury vinyl tile and planks, sheet goods, and carpet tiles. Adding to its versatility, this unique formulation is easily applied with a trowel or roller in permanent or releasable applications. High moisture and pH resistance mean this product is perfect for the most demanding applications. And Vinyl PSA is solvent and glycol-free, making it ideal for projects that require low VOCs. Vinyl VCT is engineered to minimize dry time while maximizing adjustable grab and slip resistance. This solvent-free, low-odor product is perfect for occupied environments. The thin spread adhesive dries clear, keeping layout lines visible during installation. Custom's adhesives deliver superior handling with the utmost in moisture resistance and grab. Formulas include new aggressive polymer hybrids as well as traditional urethanes. Our 4-in-1 technology reduces installation time and eliminates the need to add mats and membranes on the job. Wood HP4 is a hybrid polymer wood plank adhesive that does the job of 4 products without the use of isocyanates. This 4-in-1 product works as an adhesive, concrete moisture barrier, sound reducer, and crack suppressant all in one. Wood HP4 also provides excellent ridge retention and matches superior green grab with easy troweling. Wood ENG is a high bond strength, isocyanate-free adhesive specifically developed for engineered wood plank installations. Projects move quickly using this easy-to-trowel and clean up product with exceptional green grab. Wood UR4 is a supreme handling urethane adhesive that delivers the performance of 4 products without added mats or membranes. Plus, it's one of the most elastic urethanes on the market, allowing for wood's natural expansion and contraction. Wood UR, a professional-grade, water-free urethane adhesive. Wood UR's classic formulation has been developed to maximize bond strength and elasticity while minimizing the effort needed to trowel. All custom flooring adhesives are eligible for a 15-year or floor match installation system warranty. This is performance delivered from Custom Building Products, the industry leader in tile and stone installation for over 50 years. For expertise, innovation, and operational excellence, stick with Custom. For details, visit CustomBuildingProducts.com.